Hi everyone, today we are making andalou soup, a comforting and flavorful dish that's perfect for any occasion. So grab your ingredients and let's get started. First, we will start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a pot. As the butter melts and fills the kitchen with that amazing aroma, we will add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil to give it a nice balance. Next, it's time to add 3 tablespoons of flour. Stir it well and cook it until it turns golden and releases a nutty, toasty aroma. This step is what gives the soup its rich base. Now it's time to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir it well and let it cook for a few minutes to release its deep, savory flavor. Slowly pour in 2 liters of water while whisking continuously to avoid lumps. This helps create that silky, lump-free texture we are aiming for. Once that's done, add 3 tablespoons of rice and 3 teaspoons of salt. Give it a good mix and bring it to a boil. Then lower the heat to medium and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. While it's cooking, remember to stir occasionally so nothing sticks to the pot. Check the rice by gently mashing it with a fork. If it's soft and tender, you are ready for the final touch. Add some finely chopped parsley, stir it all together and turn off the heat. And just like that, our heartwarming andalou soup is ready to serve. It's creamy, delicious and packed with flavor. Give it a try and let me know how yours turn out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time on That's in Kitchen.